I just found the absolute hack to 10x your Midjourney Leonardo AI creations with only one AI tool to generate images like this, and also this. In this video, I'll show you how you can prompt like a professional in Leonardo AI, being an AI nerd just like me. And with just a simple keyword, you will have pro looking art on your hands. So stick to the end of this video. This is how ChatGPT normal page looks like, but it won't be like this anymore in a minute. Search for AI PRM Chrome extension and add to Chrome. This is an AI tool which powers chatbots like ChatGPT. This will take you directly to ChatGPT, and if you don't see anything, just refresh your page or wait for a minute and you will see a whole bunch of new stuff like this. There is a lot we can do with this tool, but for now we will select Midjourney prompt generator and use Midjourney prompts on leonardo.ai. If you see below, there are some options where you can change your language, the tone and the writing style depending on your choice. To use this, just write your keyword here and ChatGPT will automatically create detailed prompts for you. I will try 4 different keywords which AI generators like Midjourney is popular for, such as real humans, 2D anime characters, comic book art, and real world landscapes. If I type real human close-up, it gives me these detailed professional looking prompts which you can see. I will leave it on the screen for 5 seconds so that you can read these. You will also find these prompts in the description, so you can just copy paste it and see the results for yourself. Now copy this prompt, go to leonardo.ai. At first, we will try a simple prompt like a real human close-up and see what Leonardo AI generates. These are not bad. But let's paste our prompt ChatGPT gave us and see the results. I think the results speaks for themselves as these pictures are really beautiful and detailed. Going back to ChatGPT, write the keyword 2D cute anime girl and copy one of these pro looking prompts ChatGPT generated. At first, let's tap 2D cute anime girl only and see what Leonardo AI generates. And just with this simple prompt, these are really cool. Let's paste our prompt and see what Leonardo AI generates. If you can see, these ones are more detailed from the first one if you zoom in. Let's type in comic book art illustration boy and see what the Midjourney prompt generator gives us and copy one of these prompts. At first, type comic book art illustration boy only and see what Leonardo AI generates. These are pretty detailed if you look closely. Let's paste our prompt and see the results. As you see, these illustrations are just perfect for comic book arts with this style. You can play around with this and get the results you want. The last one is real world landscape. Again, ask ChatGPT for real world prompts and copy the prompts ChatGPT gave you. You will find all these prompts in description which I used. At first, I will type real world landscapes, and if you see, the first one is really good, while the second one is a mix-up. I didn't have tokens left in that account, so I switched to another account. Let's paste our detailed prompt and see what it generates. Now this is amazing. You can see the details in this image, the sunlight and all of this scenery. I said this in my other video as well, that it's a long debate that Midjourney creations are still very unique, but for those who are looking for a free AI art generator, Leonardo AI might be their best shot. If you head back and change this from all to Midjourney, you will find so many tools to play with like Midjourney version 5, prompts and photography like Midjourney, and many more. I will try Midjourney version 5 prompts on Leonardo AI and see if there's a difference. I'll simply write a woman playing with a cat. Now if you look closely, it gives more detail to the prompt, like photography by this person and painting by this person, inspiring it from others. Let's try this in Leonardo AI. What Leonardo AI is doing is styling the creations in the style of the person we told it to. There is a lot we can do with this, so be sure to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you want more tutorials on Leonardo AI. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in another AI video. Peace.